Today we are going to make a super beautiful crochet piece. Let's start by making the sliding knot and 3 chains. This piece you can work with the wire of your choice. Here I am using 100% wire, 2mm cotton. Start making 4 chains. I insert the needle into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Then we will go up 3 chains. And we'll work in here. One total of 11 double crochet. So counting the chains, let's stick with 12 double crochet. Back we will close it with 1 slip stitch. In the third initial current. For the next round, I will climb 3 chains to give the height of the double crochet. At the same point as the base, let's work 1 more double crochet. Now we go to work. 2 double crochet for each base point. This way we will have total from 24 points. Let's finish the round by making a slip stitch in the third initial current. For the next round, I will tie the needle 3 times. And I'll skip 3 dots from here at the beginning. 1, 2, 3 here in the 4th point. I introduce the needle. I look for the wire. Now I'm going to loop and pull out 2x2 straps to the end, forming double treble crochet. Loop for 3 times. Again. I insert the needle in the same point as the base. I am looking for thread. Loop and shot twice. Until the end, forming a double treble crochet. Let's make a total. 8 dots here at the same point on the base. Ready staff, I made here 8 double treble crochet in the same space. Now I'm going to tie my needle just 2 times. And let's work at the same point on the base. Then I insert the needle into that same point. I look for the wire, loop and keep pulling it 2x2 until the end to form the treble crochet. Again, I make another treble crochet in the same space. I started by looping twice. I inserted the needle and took it out 2x2. Now at the next 2 points, we're going to work a treble crochet for each one. Then I come to the next point. I introduce the needle, work a treble crochet. at the next point. Let's do the same thing. Loop twice and work a treble crochet. Now let's make a sequence. From a double crochet. At this next point, then I tie the needle for once. I enter in the next point and work a double crochet. At the next point, let's make 1/2 double crochet. Loop looking for wire. Loop again, taking off the 3 straps. Now we will do one sequence of 3 single crochet. 1 point for each point. First single crochet. Second, and third point. At the next point, we will do the tip of the heart. Then I tie the needle. I insert at the next point. I am looking for thread. I make a 1/2 double crochet, as before. Now loop wire in the same point. Work 1 double crochet. 1 current. Following, let's repeat everything again in a mirrored way. Here on the other side. So we will start making 1 double crochet. At this next point, I make double crochet. At the same point, work 1/2 double crochet. Now let's do one sequence of 3 single crochet. 1 point for each point. Wire loop. At the next point, work 1/2 double crochet. At the next point, a double crochet. I tie the needle twice. Work a treble crochet sequence. 1 point for each point. First treble crochet. Second treble crochet. At the next point, I tie the needle twice. Work 2 points high double. First treble crochet. In the same space. Second treble crochet. I tie the needle 3 times. Now and at the same point on the base. Let's work 8 double treble crochet. As we did in the beginning. First double treble crochet. Now the second. And so on until we have 8 points at that same point on the base. After finishing all the double treble crochet, let's count 1, 2. Here on the third point, I insert the needle and do a slip stitch or a finish with the tapestry needle. Make one more piece. Same as this. Already inserted the needle in that first slip stitch. With a new thread color, I insert the needle at the next point, working a single crochet, already hiding the leftover wire. White. I make 3 chains. At the next point on the base, work 1 single crochet. I make 3 chains. Next point, I make 1 single crochet. Let's work this way until you reach the tip of the heart. Here at the tip, I will introduce the needle. Inside the current, I make a single crochet. After 3 chains, a face inside the stream and work 1 more single crochet. I keep making 3 chains without skipping any point. Work 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet for each base point. 3 streams. So I have my 2 parts ready. And now to make the union of these 2 parts, you can use a string with chains. You're going to work some little streams there. Or you can also use a satin ribbon, equivalent to the size of the opening you made here. And here, to put the ribbon or string of chains is super simple. You will release the needle back and forth, passing through all spaces of the ravines between the single crochet. This way, I show it here in the video. Here before the end, you can put stuffing or some fragrant sachet. It's soap. Before completing this final finish, to finish my piece, I will make a bow. You can make a loop, the way you prefer, in your pieces, and here you can use it as a keychain, un fragrant sachet, or even one pin holder. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. I hope you enjoyed it. It is a super beautiful piece and also simple to make. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like. And I'm waiting for you in the next video.